Ready to take control of your financial future and start investing? Let's walk through opening a Fidelity Brokerage account, step by step. First, head to Fidelity.com. You'll see a prominent Open an Account button, usually located at the top right or in the main navigation. Click it. Now you'll begin the online application. Start by providing your personal information: name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This is essential for identification and tax purposes. Next, select the type of brokerage account you want. Individual accounts or for personal investing. Joint accounts allow you to invest with another person, and retirement accounts like traditional and Roth IRAs offer tax advantages for long-term savings. Choose the one that best fits your goals. You'll also need to provide your employment information: employer name, occupation, and income. This helps Fidelity understand your financial background. Now, it's time to fund your account. You can typically transfer funds electronically from your bank account, send a wire transfer, or even mail a check. Electronic transfers are usually the easiest and fastest. You'll then set up your investment profile, answer questions about your risk tolerance, how comfortable you are with potential losses, and your investment goals, like saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. Finally, explore Fidelity's resources. They offer a wealth of educational articles, videos, and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. And that's it. You're on your way to building your financial future with Fidelity.